Thank you very much, Prof. James Fishkin. And at this juncture, I am changing gears. I would like to invite, even though the chair is very sweet though, I would like to invite the next chair, who is the Assistant Chief Administrative Officer of Bududa, to come and take charge of the chairpersonship. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, maybe before I get fully into control, there's one thing I would wish us to first do. Nathan, you introduced all of us, but as we proceeded, some people also came on board. We want to feel comfortable if we know them. So those who have not introduced so far, please.
John Baptist, District Chairperson, Bududa.
Welcome, Mr. Chairman.
I'm Watanda Esther, Vice Inspection in Bududa, representing EHO.
EHO's office, welcome.
I'm Khainza Betinasta, District Education Officer, Bududa.
Thank you. Another person?
I'm Tata Samson, District Plan of Talent.
I'm Ronald Kaiwa, the East African Resilient Innovation Office.
Thank you very much. Nathan, I think we are now fully introduced. Those who have just introduced themselves, you will suffer a risk of not knowing the rest of us who introduced earlier. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who is here. And specifically, I take cognizance of Makerere University for parentage. Thank you very much. Resilient Africa Network. For us in Bududa, we want to change that name. We shall say Resilient Bududa Network, because it's very dear to us. The district leaders, my dear chairpersons of Bududa District and Otareja, dear RDC Bududa, here present with us, the chief administrative officers, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. What we are here for has been said in details, and my role is to chair the session. But before I do that, there's one thing, right, as the Professor Fishkin was making an overview. I think you have seen 3 or 4 things. And if you have also taken an opportunity to look through that executive summary in your folder, I think it's very, very important. One, the arrangement to cognizance of customer focus. Customer focus, that is very, very important. The deliberative policy is about serving someone or making good to someone who's there for a customer. That's customer focus.